So string replace method, which replace a copy of the string in which the occurrences of old have been replaced with the new. So syntax of the replace method is str dot replace of old, new, maximum. So here parameters are old, new, maximum. Old means this is a old substring to be replaced. New, this is new string which would replace old substring. And max, if this optional argument max is given, only the first count occurrence are replaced. So return value, the string can be replaced, new string can be replaced, and which returns a new string, replaced string. Okay, so example, see this one. This is string example. Wow, this is really string. This overall string can be assigned to a variable called str. So how can you pass the string method? Replace print of str dot replace of. So this is old string and this is new string, new substring. So in the place of is, we are going to replace substring was. Okay, so here in place of is, we are going to replace a substring was. And from the second print statement, print of str dot replace of is was 3. Maximum we taken 3. Okay, so we can check. Let me check in spider environment. Just wait a moment. So you can observe, we taken a string as this is string example wow and exclamatory. After this is really string. So in the place of is, we are going to replace was substring. So from the first print statement, in the place of is, we replaced was. Observe in the output. So in the place of is, was can be replaced. Here also was can be replaced. And here also was can be replaced. The was and was. In here also we are replacing was, really string. Okay, so you can observe the second print method. Print of str dot replace of is was we taken maximum 3. Okay, so 3 places we are going to replace the substring. Instead of is, we are replacing was in 3 places. Okay, so you can observe from this output. What are the 3 places? So from the first print statement, we replaced overall the string. But in the second case, we given maximum value equal to 3, so that we are replacing in 3 locations. So here, this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so is there, but we given only maximum value for 3. If you suppose you take 4 as a maximum value, for example, let me change this 3 value as 4 and check now. So the entire string can be replaced because is in the string is will be appeared 4 times, so that 4 times was can be replaced. From the first statement and second statement was can be replaced. But what is the difference is in the first print statement, we didn't take in maximum value, but in second statement, we take a maximum value. Okay, so based on the given value, we can get the output. So in how many places you want to replace substring. Okay, so this is about replace method. Next method is rfind. Rfind method which returns the last index where the substring is found. So reverse method, that means the reverse index. In find method, we get the starting index of the substring. Okay, so your find method is different. Rfind method is different. Rfind method returns the last index of the substring. If found, substring if found, then we get last index. And if doesn't found the substring in the given string, we get -1 as a output. Here is the syntax str.rfind of string. We should take a string, and this is optional, or you can follow beginning index and ending index. So basically these two are worked as searching. So where we have to start the search position, at what index level we are going to start the index position. So beginning equal to 0, this is very default index level. You can take 10, 20, 30, what you can take any value, and ending means length of the string. That means ending value, ending index value. This is end level. So you can take end level your wish. And these are the parameters in rfind str, beginning and end index. And what we expect the result from this rfind. We can return index, last index, we can get a return value if found. The string which is found in the substring which is available in the string, then we get last index position of the substring. Otherwise, we will expect -1. So here is an example. String 1, you can take string 1 as this is really a string example, wow. And string 2, substring we taken from this string, we taken substring is. I want to find a reverse index of the substring is. Okay, so is how many times appeared in this string? 2 times from this one and here. So starting index, what is the starting index for is? I level 0, 1, 2. So this is starting index, but we are getting reverse index position in reverse. So first of all, rfind of string 2. So print of string 1 dot. In this string, we are going to search the substring. So string 1 dot rfind of, you take the substring string 2. So string 2 having the value is. So from next example, we taken beginning index value and ending index value. And from the third print statement, we taken in reverse. Beginning index value equal to 10, ending index value equal to 0. We can check all these things. So here we taken find also. Same example, we are going to find, we are using find method. Find is different, rfind is different. So find. So first of all, we are checking this find method. Take this string. Take this string. Here, just copy that one. Okay, so string 1. So this is string 1. Print of str1 dot find of. First of all, we are taking find method. str1 dot find of what you are going to set. String 2, right? But string 2, what is the string 2 now? You take the string 2. So str 2. Here I'm going to say is. Okay. So str1 dot find of string 2. You can check this one. Okay. So find of string 2. So index value we get in. Find of. So here not we are going to use find method only. So 2 we got 2 as output. Why? Because the starting index value is the starting index value of the substring can be displayed. So what is the starting index here? 0, 1, 2. This is starting position. Okay, so the substring can be started here. So that starting index value we got. Let me check or find print of string1 dot r find method. R find of string 2. So you receive 5 as output because R find means in reverse. That means last index. So here is and is there. Okay, so I started from 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here the second 2 in the given string 2 times is appeared. Okay, 2 times is appeared. So the last index means, so wherever the is there, the first position, just observe. So at the first case, we got only the first is index value. From the second case, we got the last index value. For example, if you take is in the middle of this. So now check this one R. So here always starting position of the I value, index value we got from this find method, and reverse index means this one here, this I index position, because is appeared here. Okay, so this is last in this string. Substring. So this substring appeared at last in the given string. So the index value of this substring can be resulted here. So next one, if give beginning index value and index value, ending index value. So first of all, I'm checking this one. So okay, so whenever we check with the find and R find, observe here. So from the 0th position, 0 to 10th index, how many strings are there? Find index, find method. How many sub is available in this string from 0 to 10? 1, 2. And we got second index, second as the output, 2 as the output. And R find from the 0 to 10, we have 1, 2, 3. So here 0 to 10th index means right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. Up to 0 to 10 we taken. So starting index is 0, ending index is 10. That means 10 minus 1 means 9. Up to 9 we are searching is available or not. Yes, it is available 2 times. So we got 2 as output. The starting index we receive here. Starting index we receive, and from the reverse find R find also. So here 1, 2, 3 is there. Actually 3 is there. Substring can be appeared 3 times, but we are searching 0 to 10 index level only. So from this range we have the last index value. That means this one, the last substring. Okay, so this index level is 5. So that we got 5 as output. So next one, we can take print of str1 dot find of. In reverse case, I'm going to check 10 comma 0 and R find also you can check like that. Print of string1 dot R find of 10 comma 0. Okay, you can check this value error. So up to this one, up to this level, we got output, but so string1 dot find out. Okay, here string substring not given. So str2 comma str2 comma index level. Okay. So from the first statement find method we received 2 because substring find in the index level I. So second R find means the reverse the last index, not reverse, last index value. That means the substring where it is appeared at last. So the starting index. Here also index I we are starting. So that index value we got here 24 position. And next one from the string find method index 0 to 10 we got 2 and 0 to 10 R find we got 5 and 10 comma 0 this is reverse case. We started from 10 and 0. So this is reverse case. So we got minus 1 at both sides. In find method and R find method, we got minus 1. So next one, string R index. The same as find, but R index, we got an exception. So it return value, if found the string, we got last index. Otherwise, we get an exception. If found is the string is not existed, then we get an exception. Exception means error. Okay. So like that find method and R find method, R index also. So here string1 equal to, this is really a string example wow, and substring equal to is print of string1 dot R index of. Last index we are going to get a value. So R index of string2. String2. So 5 we got as result because the last index value. That means the string which is appeared at last. Okay, so 5 we got from the first print method and string1 dot R index. Here we taken starting index value. So 10 as a starting index value. So trace back error we got because after 10th index value we have no substring. We have no not found substring, so that we raise an exception error. Interpreter Python interpreter raises an exception substring not found. And next one, string R justification method. R justification method returns the string right justified. R justification means right justification in a string of length width. Padding is done using the specified filchar. The original string is written if width is less than length of the string. Okay, so here is the syntax str.r just of width fill character. Two parameters are there for the R justification. That means right side justification, width and fill character. So here is the example. This is string example R just of 50 comma star. 50 comma star. Fill character is star and width is width we taken as 50. So actually this string having the length 32, but we taken width equal to 50. So overall in result overall the string having 50 width and right justification means the string can be right side justified and before the string this operator can be filled all these spaces. That means fill character. By using this fill character, we fill it with the star. Okay. So this is this string overall, the string having 50 width. R strip method, string R strip method. So R strip method returns a copy of the string in which all characters have been stripped from the end of the string. Syntax str.r strip of characters. So parameters are characters only. You can supply what characters have to be trimmed. So return value, this method returns a copy of the string in which all characters have been stripped from the end of the string. Okay. So stripping means right side we are stripping, R side. R means right side. So stripping, that means the spaces or any special characters are there, we are going to strip. That means we are going to eliminate it at right side. At right side. Right side means this side. Okay. So this side we are going to skip this skip. So from this example, white spaces we taken, left to right to white spaces we taken. See, you can get the result as, so left right side spaces will be eliminated and only left side spaces are there. Right, R strip means right side we are eliminating the characters or spaces. L strip means left side we are eliminating, so the string can be adjusted at left side either with spaces or special characters. The string can be stripped. Stripping means we are eliminating characters and we justify the string at in L strip. At left side we are stripping, R strip we are stripping right side. So string split method. Let me check this example. So from the first string, this is string example. Wow. Print of str.r strip method. So here only single space taken. You can use more spaces. Okay. You can observe here. So left side, we didn't eliminated any spaces, but right side, R strip means we are stripping right side part. So we got like that. And take str equal to star 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 and check print of str dot r strip of so here fill character, you should give fill character. Okay, so like this. So here character we didn't give in at first time, but we should give a character. Otherwise, we got a same string. We can get a same string. So right side, the star can be stripped from this string. Next method, split method, which splits the string. Split method returns a list of all the words in the string using string as the separator. So here is the syntax str dot split of take string and num equal to string dot count of string str. So here parameters are str and num, and return value, this method returns a list of lines. List of lines means list is a data type. Okay, so just remember this one, list. Here is the example. Take this string. This is string example. Wow. This string can be splitted each and every word in the list. List can be written in the form of square brackets. So within the square brackets, we take in some list. So these is a word, and this can be splitted. The entire string can be splitted by using the split method, str.split method. Here empty means no spaces. Up to the space we are splitting. Otherwise, you can give a string. You can give a string where we have to stop and give length also. Up to what length we are splitting. Okay. Check this example. This is string example. Wow. So split method. First of all, give a space for splitting up to the spaces. Okay, from this one. So from this one, okay. Okay, so from the first print statement, we got each and every word in a list. This is a one word, is one word, string is one word, example is one word, and here no space is there, so that this entire string can be treated as a one string because no spaces are there. Up to the space level only it can be split the strings. Okay, so here I, second print statement, split of I, wherever the I character is appeared, up to that we are splitting. So from the first one, th can be treated as one string, and I can be treated as, so here I, yes, what, okay. So we are going to split I value, right? So I can be splitted one time. For example, if you take 2, so 2, take this one, 2. Here second line also I can be removed. Up to that I can be removed, and it from this we are getting one string. Okay, yes, space string space example, and wow, this overall string can be treated as substring, and this can be removed because we given I value. Okay, so from this I value up to that we splitted th. First we get a substring as th, and I can be removed, and so yes can be treated as one s and space. S and space we got as a substring, and here from this one I, because we given 2 width equal to 2 we given, so 2 times substring appeared. So here and here 2 times I can be appeared. So we split it up to that level. So next method, next one, W we taken. W we taken. So W means where it is appeared, W from here and here, right? So this is entire string, we can treat it as a substring, and W can be eliminated, and O can be treated as one string, and this also eliminated because W appeared here, because here we didn't mention any value, just we taken a string. Okay. So these three are treated as one single substring. This is split method, which splits the string, entire string into substrings. At what level we are splitting, you can give character and width. Okay, number of lines to be split. So next one, split lines. Split lines method returns a list with all the lines in the string.